Here's the truth about earning money with AI. Dun dun dun. This is supposed to be dramatic effect. Dun dun dun. But today we're going to be diving into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. Ooh, robots, scary. It's taking over the world. It's a tool that has the ability to transform our lives for better and sometimes for worse. On one hand, AI can streamline processes and enhance productivity, which can ultimately open up new avenues for revenue streams. On the other hand, AI is going to be raising some concerns for job displacements, meaning a lot of people are thinking, hey, AI, it's taking over the world and there's nothing we can do to stop it and it's going to take over my job. Understanding the dual nature of AI, the positives and the negatives, is crucial when we navigate the world of technology because it is constantly evolving. We must keep up with it. So now let's talk about the dark side of AI. Spooky, spooky. While artificial intelligence offers many benefits, there are also significant risks associated with using something like AI. One of the most pressing concerns is going to be that job displacement. AI is taking over your job. Run for your lives. As AI systems become more and more independent and they kind of have their own mind in a way, many traditional roles of jobs are being automated. For example, a real-world problem that a lot of people are pressed about would be the use of Face ID. And I have Face ID on my phone. And a lot of people are like, hey, this is a major privacy concern. Or also the fact that AI is tracking what we are clicking on, what we are watching, and it gets a huge sense of who we are as people, which that can be kind of concerning, but at the same time, it can be, I wouldn't like to say nice, but it can be sort of nice if you're scrolling on Instagram and you're seeing pictures of the Beatles and the Rolling Stones because you like them, and hey, Rolling Stones. But some people can see this as a positive or a negative. Now let's go on over to the bright side of AI because although there are some negatives to it, there are positives as well. AI is such a powerful tool that can enhance productivity and also creativity. For instance, in the health world, AI can analyze different data, making it easier to assist doctors in diagnosing their patients with different things. On the other hand, in the creative sector, AI can also help musicians come up with concepts for song ideas. And like I said earlier, you could be seeing AI-generated algorithms as a dark side because AI is stalking our every move. Or you could see it as a positive side because a lot of different platforms such as Netflix or Spotify, they all use these AI algorithms to know what content to put out to you. One newer example would be the use of Spotify DJ. Yes, Spotify has a DJ now and it is AI generated and he talks with a little AI voice, but he doesn't sound very AI. But Spotify DJ can help you come up with different vibes for your playlists or find new song recommendations. These different successful applications can show that AI has the potential to do good because it benefits both individuals while also benefiting businesses. And within this video, rather than viewing AI as a threat, I want us to look into how we can leverage AI to benefit ourselves and to make money with it. Now let's talk about the internet. A lovely, lovely, lovely place. You are on it right now and you are seeing my lovely face on the lovely internet. The evolution of the internet has significantly transformed the way that people can make money because they don't even have to leave their couch to make money anymore. In the past, generating a revenue online used to take a lot of time. But now that we have AI tools, we can significantly speed up this process. Because instead of spending hours and hours on repetitive tasks, AI can streamline this process for you. This new evolution has introduced the new term of lazy ways to make money online. I want to make it clear that embracing these different lazy ways to make money online, it does not make you lazy. Because honestly, you're being really smart here and you're using your time wisely. By harnessing AI, you can put your focus elsewhere rather than these repetitive tasks. You can put your focus into your creativity. You can put your mind more into the visual aspects of your videos rather than doing a repetitive task that you don't like doing, like script writing. This not only saves time, but it maximizes productivity. This is all going to bring me to a very important question. How do we earn money with AI? And how do we avoid these negative pitfalls? Well, next I want to get into 3 different ways that we can do this, while also, of course, being lazy. Because, hey, AI is going to be doing all the heavy lifting for us. I was going to pick up my lipstick. Heavy lifting. This is about the biggest weight that I'm going to lift today. The first lazy way that we could make money with AI is going to be translating videos. And you might be thinking, Kayla, hey, what if I only speak one language or two languages? I can't do it. I can't translate English or Spanish. What do I do? Well, AI. AI is here. Have no fear, you guys. There is a tool out there called Rask AI, and Rask AI has the ability to translate things for you. The first step here is going to be going onto YouTube and identifying different channels that look like they could reach out to a broader audience. This is where you want to look for channels that have a significant following, but they're only limited to one language. For example, it could be my channel. Once you have a list of potential clients, you could reach out and offer this translation service. You could do this by reaching out through email or through their different social media accounts like Instagram DMs or Facebook Messenger. Whatever way you want to contact people, contact them that way. But once people start to be like, hey, maybe I do want my YouTube video in another language, so then I'm reaching a broader audience and more people can enjoy my content. You can utilize Rask AI to dub these different videos into different languages. This tool leverages advanced AI technology in order to create high quality translations and voiceovers, which makes everything sort of seamless here. You simply just upload this YouTube video to Rask AI and Rask AI does it all for you. All you have to do is simply upload this YouTube video to Rask AI and then select your preferred language that you want this video to be dubbed in, and Rask AI will handle the rest. And this saves a lot of time rather than somebody having to sit down and translate everything in their head. And the AI will also ensure that the original tone and message is going to be the same. By offering translation services to creators, you can tap into a lucrative market. Because many creators are eager to expand their audience. Who wouldn't be? Depending on the complexity of the language that you're translating and the length of the video, this will reflect what your potential earnings may be. But with a steady stream of clients, who knows, maybe you could have an agreement with different YouTubers where they use your services 3 times a week or something. But embracing this opportunity will combine creativity with technology, and ultimately, it can make you money. Now we're gonna jump into our second lazy way to be leveraging AI to make money for ourselves, and that is going to be through a faceless YouTube channel. And yes, you heard that right, a YouTube channel where you don't even have to show your face. So it's not like me. You don't have to sit here and look at my face. I like how I just put down my face, but also I said I have a lovely face, all in the duality of women. Starting a faceless YouTube channel is really the future of technology, especially when we're utilizing AI. One of the primary advantages of starting a faceless YouTube channel is the simple content creation, because you're not having to sit in front of a camera and create a script like this. Because you're not having to get a whole setup and sit in front of a camera like I am. But of course, it's all personal preference on how you create your YouTube channel. You could go the faceless route, or you could show your face, because hey, I'm doing that. But if you're not showing your face, you have the ability to put your focus in other aspects. This approach is particularly appealing to those who are maybe shy on camera and they just don't enjoy filming themselves. Now, a very, very helpful tool that I have found is a tool called TubeMagic. And TubeMagic can help you do a whole lot of things when it comes to running a YouTube channel, whether it be writing scripts or coming up with video ideas or writing video descriptions or coming up with tags for your videos. By leveraging its capabilities, you can quickly brainstorm different video ideas or your scripts or your descriptions. You don't have to sit down and overthink these types of things. TubeMagic not only provides inspiration, but it also provides a lot of value that you can use for your scripts or your descriptions. And this will ultimately streamline the ideation process, meaning you're not having to sit down and think to yourself, hey, I want to film a YouTube video today, but what's it going to be about? I have no idea. Well, TubeMagic can do this because I actually use TubeMagic for literally every video that I've been making recently. And it saves a lot of time, especially when I'm doing schoolwork on top of this. Hey, I don't want to have to stress about my video ideas. To further enhance your production, you could also consider using AI tools for your voiceovers for your videos, or even the visual aspects like stock footage. What you could do here is you could combine TubeMagic's resources and also combine different voiceover and video editing softwares as well. For example, a software that is called Storyblocks can help you accumulate different stock footage for your content. Storyblocks offers a huge library of resources when it comes to stock footage. Whether you're looking for stunning visuals or you're looking for just backgrounds even, Storyblocks has got your back. One of the standout benefits for using a website such as Storyblocks is the fact that they have a copyright-free library. Having copyright issues is the last thing that I want you guys to have if you're choosing to run a YouTube channel, because that is no fun. We want to make money with our content and we want to be original. Storyblocks will eliminate this risk, and honestly, it sounds like I'm filming an ad for Storyblocks right now, but I'm not even getting paid, so. But there is a vast selection of royalty-free content that you can use over there. So if you're looking for a video of an elephant or a video of a dog or a video of a penguin, and all I can think of is animals right now, but if you're looking for a video of any of those things, head on over to Storyblocks. Or maybe the ocean. That's not an animal. Another smart thing to do when it comes to running a YouTube channel is batch creating content. And what this means is sitting down and maybe filming 5 videos and having a backlog of content that is ready to post. So let's say next week you don't have time to film a video. Well, hey, last week I filmed more videos, so I can just take a video from last week and upload it this week. And honestly, I have the most insane backlog right now because I've been trying to post on YouTube about 3 times a week, but then I film maybe like 4 or 5 times a week at times. So then my backlog is really insane. So by the time this video goes up, it will probably be months from now, because maybe even a year, who knows? Hopefully not a year. Because to put it into perspective, future Kayla, I am drinking a Sprite cranberry. Is Sprite cranberry even in the stores anymore right now as this video is going up? I don't know. But you don't want to get too crazy with your backlog because you don't want your content to be outdated that you're putting out. You want it to be relevant. And I know this video topic is going to stay relevant over time because AI is taking over the world. Who knows? Maybe as this video goes up, robots are already kidnapping people. I don't know. Whatever the robots are doing. But you can start this process by going on over to TubeMagic and brainstorm some ideas and come up with your batch of video ideas. And then you could also utilize a tool that is called Trello, where you can really plan out your content. They have different boards and it's kind of fun. You can move your little cards over to different boards. So you could have a card for scripts that are being written or finished scripts or videos that need to be recorded and so on and so forth. But once you have some video ideas ready, you can create scripts for these videos, and then ultimately, I would say sit down and record the video, but hey, if you have a faceless YouTube channel, that is fine too. You can compile your stock photos and videos and edit that all together. And I'm talking really fast, but after you're done filming or compiling whatever you need to compile for your video, you are going to upload that video to YouTube as private. Because this way you can take this link that you have uploaded to YouTube privately, you can take this link, take it on over to TubeMagic and plug it in, and TubeMagic can generate an optimized title and description and tags for your videos based off of this link. Additionally, also make sure to keep in mind thumbnails. Thumbnails is something that is very important because it gets people to click on your videos. And I know all of you clicked on this video because I'm just so beautiful, and I just know that's why you guys wanted to watch this video. But anyways, no, I'm kidding. You guys wanted to learn the darkness about AI and the spooky scariness of it. Anyways, another thing that's very important is consistency. The theme of my channel has always been consistency is key. And honestly, this applies to every goal in your life. Consistency is key. Hey, keep weightlifting. Who knows? Maybe you'll go from this weight to this weight. Just kidding. Anyways, I would also encourage you guys to explore different revenue streams when it comes to running a YouTube channel, because this is one of my favorite parts about a YouTube channel is the fact that you can make money from it from different resources. You don't have to rely solely on ad revenue. You can also throw in affiliate marketing or throw in your own online course to sell or merchandise even. Now let's talk about outsourcing. And outsourcing is something that you can do when you start to earn money with your YouTube channel, or maybe you have some money that you want to put into your YouTube channel already. This is where you start to hire people to do different aspects of work for you, whether it be editing your videos or creating your thumbnails for you. Whatever aspect of work you don't want to do, you could outsource this task and hand it on over to somebody else. This can be very, very helpful, especially if you want to run more than one YouTube channel and make money from multiple income streams. Now let's move on to our third lazy way to make money with AI, and that is going to be through background removals. And I know it sounds kind of silly. This is where you are going to download one of my favorite free video editing softwares called CapCut. And when I started making YouTube videos, I would always call it CapCut, and I don't know why I did that because there's no E, and this is my formal apology to CapCut. I know it's cap, not cape. I don't know why I said cape. I hope we can move on from this. Actually, we can't move on from this because CapCut added ads, which I hate. Let's say somebody had a YouTube video and they didn't want to be sitting in front of the wall that they're sitting in front of. Well, you can use CapCut's feature that allows you to switch the background from any photo or video, which is super helpful when it comes to YouTubers or Instagram influencers. CapCut has an AI technology that will recognize the person or the dog or the cat in front of the background and cut them out and replace the background for you. So you don't have to spend hours sitting there replacing backgrounds. And this is where you could offer your services to different people on different freelancing platforms such as Upwork or Fiverr and make money doing it. And honestly, this takes literally little to no work to do. All you have to do is upload this photo or video to CapCut, and CapCut does all of the hard work for you, and then you export it back to your device and send it out to your clients. Depending on what service you're offering, let's say you're removing the background from a picture, you could be making around $5 for just one picture. Or maybe you're removing the background for a video, you could be making $20 for that. Just of course depending on the length of the video as well. But it can be a really lazy way to be making quick money. Now, my favorite option that we went through in today's video to make money with AI is going to be running a YouTube channel, which, surprise, surprise, hey, I have a YouTube channel. But if you're interested in making money with a YouTube channel without actually having to make YouTube videos, make sure to click on the video next to me because there is a ton of value within it. And honestly, from time to time, I still click on this video when I'm feeling stuck. So make sure to check it out and we will see you guys there. Bye. Bye! Somebody told me I could sing in my comments. It's getting to my head. Bye.